Hello, welcome to this class where we are looking at Wazuh core services. So there are 9 in total of the Wazuh services. Now, the diagram we have got to our right here is just a representation of what these core services can be used in this single diagram. So in the first instance here, we have got intrusion detection. Now, most of the intrusion detection here, we are talking of the host. So here, this model box could be the host, and we want to be able to detect any intrusion which can happen on that model box. Then we'll use the intrusion detection software, which is delivered by the Wazuh Server through its agent here. We can be able to do intrusion detection. So the intrusion detection will mean if a hacker managed to compromise Moodle box through the agent, we should be able to know what is happening on that Moodle box. Similarly, we have got the log data analysis. Now, the log data analysis will exactly behave the same where the agent is coming with that mechanism of logging any data being used there. And once the data is being logged, it can be sent to the Wazuh server. In case you have got a router or a switch, we can't install the Wazuh agent. So what we do in that case is we establish the syslog and we pull that syslog to the Wazuh agent, and the Wazuh agent feed it back to the Wazuh server. In the file integrity monitoring, so you could have files in the Moodle box which people either are changing or are modifying or deleting. That information also the agent will report to the Wazuh server, and appropriate action can be done by the Wazuh server through the Wazuh agent, i.e., either blocking that modification or logging that modification happening. Vulnerability detection. So in the Wazuh agent in the Moodle box, we could install, let's say, a certificate, and this certificate could be corrupt. And the Wazuh agent will do a vulnerability detection based on the CVE and to compare the rules, what is happening to the vulnerability detection there. If it says that it's a CVE, it's a well-known CVE, the Wazuh agent will report to the Wazuh server. In the configuration assessment, this we are talking of benchmarks. So we have got the CIS benchmark, which gives us the policy on how, let's say, to configure the model box. This could be the operating system, which is Ubuntu. Now, that configuration policy could also be looked at using the Wazuh agent, and any changes to that policy will be triggered and be sent to the Wazuh server for further action. Incident report. Incident report will behave similar like the policy we just talked about, but where the rules could be violated on this, i.e., maybe there was a brute force happening, SSH brute force, that could be reported also by the agent to the Wazuh server so that a proper alert and response could be also sent to the Moodle box to remedy that incident. Regulatory regulation compliance, which is we call it GRC, i.e. governance compliance, and risk. So all that we are talking of the NIST framework, the 27,000 ISO, all of that can be also mapped into the model box, and any violation to those guidelines will also be sent to the Wazuh server for proceeding action. Cloud security and container security. This could be also combined where container we are talking of EC2 instance and maybe Docker, and cloud security we are talking of what is happening to the server outside here, which could be on the internet. So we could have the Wazuh agent in the internet close to where the EC2 instance is, so that all the services we have talked about, if it happens in the internet there, we can be alerted to the Wazuh server, and a follow-up um, action could be done. So this is how the 9 core Wazuh services in summary could look like and we could use. So in the further upcoming videos, we'll be going each intrusion detection configuration, log data analysis configuration, all the way through, so that we can see this in live demo. So with that, I thank you for viewing.